Roger, building from the ground up. Wow, some great little subtle changes here. And you know, if you're building a house, you may get frustrated, like, hey, it's not moving fast enough. Ooh, I'm getting kind of anxious. But trust me, you want them to take their time and let the process play out the way that it plays out. And I've got Jack the real estate dog. You agree with that, Jack? I'm sure you do. So guys, some really cool things happening. Number one, they got the cooktop in. So that's kind of fun, 36-inch, 5-burner. They've got the hood in, which is new, and they've got it all connected up, vented to the outside. So that's pretty amazing. We'd seen this wall oven stack. Now they had added these 2 outlets because there was just that one there to the right. So now they're in process of getting that all drywalled up and getting ready to go. So it's starting to look like a house, right? Besides some of the bathroom trim, like for instance, you know, this type of stuff, that's all happening as well. And then one other significant something is when you look around and you see that, hey, these little blocks of wood from the insulation, they pulled those out and they installed that shoe mold, quarter round, and that kind of finishes it off right there like that. So guys, wow. Jack, let's go upstairs. Let you earn some money. That's how you get paid, right? Going up the stairs, is that right, sir? All right, let's go. Let's see what we got here. Took a poll one time and all of Jack's followers said that was his favorite move. Now, let me ask you a question. Why would you go in there? What's interesting to you in there? Oh, wow. So that shoe mold quarter round is all around. That's like the little finishing touch on that. They got the floor covered up nicely, which is great. And we were in here a day or so ago. We're looking good in the neighborhood. So guys, it's all coming together. And then of course this client picked this lot. Look at this, because of that, right? Nothing wrong with that. On the side and in the rear. So guys, if you want to build a new construction home, we would love to help you. We'd love to do it from the ground up. Uh-oh, Jack got one of those little triangles. What do you got there, player? Uh-oh, he's happy now. Run, Jack. No, give me that. Give me that. Sit. What are you doing? Sir Knuckles, short for knucklehead. This is not a toy. It's not a chicken bone either, but you like it, so let's go. All right, let's go back down, Jack. Guys, we have fun hanging around with my dog, shooting videos. Got a team of buyer agents that are out with buyers, helping you get where you want to end up. That's what we do. We'd love to help you. 704-345-3400, and I'll see you in the next video.